In this video, we're going to look at how you can use WebCT to easily post your handouts online. This is really easy to do. If you can attach a document to an email, then you can do this. So before you begin, you want to have your handout prepared and ready to go. You need to know where the file is located. Is it on your desktop? Is it in My Documents? Is it on your flash drive or your thumb drive? In our example here, I've got the files ready to go on my desktop. Now you can use any file format you want to. We're going to start with a Word document. You can do the same steps with PowerPoint files, Excel files, an image, short video files, or PDF files. And I want to go to WebCT, and you want to make sure that you're on the Build tab. So to add your handout, you look under the section that says Add to Home Page, and we're going to select a content file. There's an extra box that appears. Now the syllabus is the content we want the students to have. The content could be class notes, could be a blank lab report. The content could be lots of things. So here we're going to pick Select File, and a new window is going to appear. And one of the things that we can click in this new window is the little My Computer icon. And now another new window appears, but this one lets us navigate to the location of the file on our computer. Now I place my file on the desktop, so I need to navigate to desktop, and I find the sample syllabus from Spring '08. It's a Word document. I can tell that by the little icon next to it. I'm going to double click the small icon, and then WebCT is going to automatically begin to upload the document, and it will place that document on my course homepage. And that's really all you have to do. The students now have access to that file on the course homepage. Now the name of the file below the icon appears to be a little long, and a long name may cause confusion. So one of the things, well, I'm going to suggest that you do two things to change the appearance of the link. And to do this, you need to be on the Build tab. You're going to click the icon, and you'll see a menu appear. And on this menu that appears, we're going to click Edit. In the title box, we're going to type over the name of the file that's there, and we're just going to replace it with what we want the link to read. I'm just going to change it to the word syllabus. I'm going to click Save. And so instead of having a long file name, the only link they see is syllabus. Now a second thing you could do is to click this very small icon below the link name. Okay, this lets you add a description about the link. You can add information about why students would want to view this material. Now for some things in class, this may not seem that important, but at other times this is very useful for people trying to navigate through your layout of the materials. I'm going to add view important information about books, requirements, and test dates. We're going to click Save, and that descriptor is there. Now I would recommend that you keep your description very short, probably 10 words or less. And that's really it. We've uploaded a file and we've made it very easy to read. Now you should know that for some people it can be difficult to download files from WebCT Vista. And this is not necessarily the fault of WebCT Vista, but rather the web browser Internet Explorer. It's usually easier when students use a different browser like Firefox. Now in your role as course designer, you can make the process easier by using HTML files or PDF files instead of Word documents. But there's nothing wrong with using Word documents, and there's nothing wrong with using PowerPoint files. If you have any questions about the usage of WebCT Vista, give the WebCT team a call, extension 31475.